Hello, welcome to another video on my channel. In this tutorial, I'll walk you guys through the steps of installing Windows 11 on a VM and ESX. Before starting this video, please support my channel by subscribing and do not forget to click on the bell icon for more videos. So let's jump on this video. So over here we're going to click a virtual machine. You're going to right click on virtual machines and then click on create register VM. You're going to go ahead and create a VM, click on next. We're going to name our VM. We are going to call this test Windows 11. We're going to leave this the way it is over here. Guest OS, we're going to choose Windows. Guest OS version, since this is an older version of ESX 6.7, we can go ahead and choose Windows 10 64-bit. Here we're going to click next. I'm going to put this on my one of the data stores that I have. It's called Datas. I'll put it on the VMs. That's where I have all my software and stuff like that. So I'll go ahead and add this to my VMs. Over here we are going to change this to 4 CPUs. I have plenty, and I'm going to change that to 8 gigs of RAM. Let's change that hard drive to 70 gigs. We're going to keep this SCSI controller the way it is, default. Everything else just says default, and at the CD, DVD drive 1, we're going to change this to data ISO file. That's where I have my Windows 10 ISO. You're going to come over here and change the Windows 11 Pro ISO that I have over here. We're going to choose that, and then you're going to click on next. This is the overview of the options you have chosen. And we're going to click on finish. So it should come up here any second. And here it is. So let's go ahead and fire this up. Okay, so here is my VM. It's about to start. Looks like we have an issue with a hard drive, so let's go ahead and let's restart this. So Windows 10 is about, Windows 11 is about to load. It's going to take a few minutes, or maybe less. I'm going to click on next, install now. So I've never done this before. This is the first time I'm installing Windows 11, so we're going through this together. So please be patient. We're here, do not have a license, so we're going to click on it, do not have your product key. And then we are going to click next as soon as it comes up. Alright, we are going to accept the license terms and agreement. Next, we're going to do a fresh installation. We're going to click on custom install Windows only advanced. That's our hard drive, 70 gigs. So we're going to click on next. This might take probably about 15-20 minutes. Alright, here we are. It is almost complete. Installing updates now. Alright, let's restart the system. Alright, we're gonna choose our region as United States. US keyboard layout. I'm gonna skip this part. Let's check them for updates again. Alright, let's name our PC. I'm gonna call it test Win11. Next. Looks like I rebooted again. noticed so far is that the initial installation of Windows 11 takes a little longer than Windows 10. Right, here we are. I guess I'll choose setup for personal use over here. Next. Let's see what our other options are. So over here we are going to create an we're going to go with offline account. Let's skip this for now. We're going to go with this option, don't sign in with Microsoft account. Next. Just going to type in a name over here. Next. We're going to skip the password. Next. Let's click on next over here. Next. Accept. It looks like it's checking for updates again. Looks like there are about 3 updates trying to download and install, so I will be back as soon as the updates are installed. Please stay tuned. Alright, the update is completed and it's about to reboot again. Alright, here we are. It just logged me in as myself. So I think that's the start button right here. Let's click on start, see what we get. like everything is installed. Let's go to settings. Go to properties, device name, Windows 11. At least the menu is a little different. So here it is, guys. This is Windows 11. Let's click on Start. We see everything over here. See, these are the built-in applications with Windows 10. They have Office, they have Spotify, Netflix, Photoshop Express. Interesting. Yeah, it seems to be a little slower than Windows 10. Just clicked on this and I don't see anything coming up. Looks like it's taking a sweet time. Let's see what else is in here. A search, task, widgets. Let's click on widgets, see what we have in there. Oh, we had to log into Microsoft's account to see what's in there. But anyhow, here it is, guys. Windows 11. I so far kind of like it, but it's a little slower than Windows 10. Again, thank you for watching, and please leave your comments down below.